The Philippines has a long history of scandals involving public funds, in which high-ranking politicians found guilty of corruption have typically escaped serious jail time. While protests rage and debates continue across the nation, the most affected people are the poor who cannot afford an alternate housing, transportation, or even, at times, a decent rubber boot.
Nakakasama din ang loob kasi nga, hindi ka makakapaghanap buhay kasi may baha, may high tide. Sana po maayos nila yung dapat makaalis ng baha namin kasi kawawang-kawawa po ang lalo na ang mahirap. Kasi nga po, kapag sobra kang mahirap, di ka pwedeng mag-tricycle ng mahal, obligado ka maglakad. Kasi minsan yung pera mo, sapat lang sa pangkabuhayan ng pamilya.